Hi friends, it's time for the summer release from Lawn Fawn. I got a few things at Cloud9 Crafts and I can't wait to show you what I got. So, let's go! This was a real party to unbox with all that confetti. Thank you to the team of Cloud9 Crafts for packing everything so carefully. I cannot wait to play with all these fun new goodies. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item is from this release. I will see you next time. Bye!